Hi there, my name is Miss Ashley, and today we're going to build on top of the 1 foot glide exercises we did in the last videos to help you with your balance. I'm a figure skating coach and have been a figure skater since the age of 3, so let's build on top of what we've already learned. If you're new here, welcome, but make sure you go back and check out those 1 foot glide exercises because we're going to build on top of what we've already done. If you watch those videos, awesome. So for this exercise, you're going to need a little bit of space, whether you're inside or outside. Make sure your feet start at a resting position, shoulder width apart, and your arms out to either side, left and right. Make sure that you're working on your posture. Roll those shoulders back, head straight up, and you're going to find your focal point straight ahead. Okay, so once you've found this comfortable position, here's where the exercise starts. We are going to find the 1 foot glide position again and bring your foot to the half position. You're going to use your right finger, so find your right index finger and you're going to bring it to your nose. You're going to hold this position for 3 seconds, go back, and now you're going to switch your feet, resting position, left foot up, find your index finger on your left foot, or your left hand, and touch your nose. 3 seconds each, and you're going to go back and forth, paying attention to making sure that you're not wobbling or wiggling, and you're going to stay coordinated. You're going to hold 1, 2, 3, and hold 1, 2, 3. Pretty simple, right? So the reason why I'm having you do this exercise, whether you find it easy or not, is because your coordination is what you're working on. When you're coordinated, it's easier to find your balance, and when you marry the two together, your jumps, your spins, everything will be better. If you're not a figure skater, it'll still help you with your balance, it'll still help you with your coordination off ice, just while you're walking around.